starting.
What is that foul?
No, that was clean.
We've been doing that.
Bro, what? It's back in play.
He got up with the ball. Get out of the...
Dude, I'm fine here. Like, stop complaining. Yeah. Good bucket from Collin.
He kicked me.
No, he didn't.
Bro, Brady, just stay in the fucking corner, dude.
Yeah, dude.
you guys so mad.
No, so just so you can get the full shot.
Okay, this is the most boring basketball I've ever seen in my life. Never seen that move before.
You haven't shot a 3 yet.
I just shot one.
You missed. You haven't made a 3 yet.
You haven't made a point yet. All cap. All cap.
We're gonna say that's a foul.
Go to the
If you
recording.
challenge- if you
Okay.
challenge-
Challenge.
So he's using a. There you go. Miss like 2 more though. Next one. Next 2. Okay.
No points.
So there you go.
Collin can't get a rebound.
Oh, that's 2 free throws for Cruz.
Makes the first.
There's 2.
Makes the second. Cruz with his first and only points of the game so far. Play some defense. Like, it's always an option. Cruz trying to get in the paint. But Collin still is lost.
Holy. A 4-point game.
Good patience.
Dang.
Wow. Game.
2 minutes remaining. Bro. Dang. Oh. Minute 57. Another 3 for Collin. Game.
God damn, dude. What a horrible shot.
Oh, nice.
Is that contact or not?
No, that
No.
was so ball.
Yeah, that's ball.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, now you call for a foul after you miss the bucket.
Minute 10.
Oh no.
16 to 9. Damn.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Good header
Stop
from
hitting
Collin.
the ceiling.
Collin, get a rebound maybe. Like,
Dang. Seconds. You guys each have 1 timeout. There's
wow. Collin, you're so lost, bro. Stop doing that if you're gonna keep.
My challenge.
Wow. Why is he starting already? Did he start the clock?
No, the clock's running. 20 seconds, 22 to 11. Steal. Oh!
Oh!
Boom. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Dude, get the ball, Collin. That was goaltending.